Hello, I'm Richard Hooper and this is SatTV Week. Now I'm pleased to be joined by Thomas Lindell of Swedish Microwave. Thomas, thank you for joining me. It's the first time we've spoken, but can you tell me a little bit more about Swedish Microwave and the products?
My pleasure. I'm happy to be here, and Swedish Microwave is, as many people know, a manufacturer in Europe of LNBs, low noise block down converters, LNAs and BDCs. We've been in the business since 1986 and moved from commercial direct to the home reception to professional products for teleports and for VSAT applications which are more demanding. Yeah.
And what sectors are key for Swedish?
Well, we have three main target areas, or three main target customer areas. Those are teleports and satellite operators. It's Earth observation and remote sensing, and the third one is mobile and marine VSAT.
Now, I notice on the table here you have some new LNB products. What's so special about those?
Well, we are very keen to listen to the market and to see what's going on. And recently, with ultra-high definition TV, there's a demand for much higher throughput data than before. And to address this, the DVB Association has presented an extension to the DVB S2 specification, which is known as DVB S2X. This requires some new specifications and some new demands on the LNBs, and in this case it's the phase noise that needs to be addressed to get the higher data throughput. So we have an option on our dual output simultaneous wideband LNBs for KU band, which is mainly for TV reception. So we now have an ultra low phase noise option that allows you to address the DVB S2X and high throughput data rates related to that. Also, because of 5G, it's taken over a lot of the frequency range, or trying to take over a lot of the frequency range in C-band. We have developed a C-band LNB, which is unique, that has built-in filtering on the input, so you don't need an external waveguide filter. It's all taken care of inside the LNB. Takes care of filtering out the lower part of the C-band, which is unfortunate but necessary. Yeah, this is built in and to address the 5G issue.
Now, what regions of the world are key for these products?
Swedish Microwave has traditionally addressed the European market mainly, but we have over the past 5 to 10 years tried to go after the worldwide market in a more aggressive way. Asian market is very important to us, and that's why we're here at CommunicAsia in Singapore, to show our interest and to pick up new clients, new applications, and also to support the existing ones. We're also going after the North American market and the South American market, addressing those needs there because of changes in the industry, basically. So we are, which I meant to say earlier on, is that we are probably the one and only independent LNB manufacturer left in the world, which are not producing VSAT terminals and other equipment. So we're happy to talk to any manufacturer, basically.
Now, how does a company like Swedish, you're independent, how do you keep innovating to keep pace with the market?
Well, we're a small company, and we work through a lot of different distribution channels. We have distributors, we have system integrators and OEM manufacturers. But the one thing that we do with all of these is that we have a direct connection with the end user, which means that we get a lot of feedback. And being a small company, the feedback goes through the marketing department to the engineering department directly. So not through a lot of filters. So when a new application arises or a new RFQ comes in for something that we haven't addressed earlier, we always make sure that engineering is involved so that they can make a list of stuff that customers want and need, and then we address those one after the other.
Thomas, thank you very much.
Thank you.